Samsung recently unveiled its brand new Galaxy smartwatches for 2025 at the massive July Unpacked event. While we didn't receive a Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, we did get a sleek new titanium blue hue and a slew of new Galaxy Watch 8 features. 6 of them, to be precise. If you like smaller watches, the 40mm Galaxy Watch May 8 be for you, with or without LTE. Want something a little bigger? There is also a 44mm variant. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, however, is the true showstopper. It's the largest at 46mm, the most expensive, and, frankly, the one everyone will be talking about. So why is the Classic getting so much love? Let us break it down. First, consider the clicky rotating bezel. It's not only an attractive face, it makes scrolling and navigation feel extremely smooth and enjoyable. Touch screens are wonderful, but there's something fun and addictive about spinning a dial to navigate your programs. It's similar to the fidget spinner on smartwatches, but more practical. Then, there's that extra button. Yes, the Classic has 3 side buttons instead than 2. And the third one is completely configurable. You may program it to display exercises, switch on the torch, or whatever else you use the most. It's a minor detail, but it makes a difference when you're in a rush. Now let's speak about storage. The Classic version comes with 64GB of storage, which is twice as much as the standard Watch 8 devices. That's a lot of room for music, apps, notes, and even meme-filled group chats. In terms of battery life, the Classic outperforms the competition. It has a 445 mAh battery, which is slightly greater than the 44 and 40mm variants. And because it has the same screen size as the smaller Watch 8, it may survive longer in real use. Samsung claims you'll get 30 to 40 hours, depending on your settings. We'll have to see how that plays out, but it looks intriguing. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.